Hey, it's Tom here and welcome back to the channel. Now, the purpose of this video is simply to say thank you from me and the Margin of Shavety Movember team to all the people that have supported our Movember campaign. If you haven't been following along already, basically we got together a team of, in the end, about 13 finance creators, finance YouTubers, and we've been doing weekly live streams and all growing a moustache for the Movember Foundation and raising money for men's mental health, suicide prevention, prostate cancer and testicular cancer. And I'm filming this video a little early. It's the 29th of November as I'm recording this little thank you video. But as of recording this, the team has raised a little over $5,000. Now, that's a big jump up from about $1,900 that I raised last year. So I'm really thankful for everyone that has contributed. It's been great to kind of expand it out and get a good team together. And it's been really fun. We've done 4 weekly live streams here on the Investing with Tom channel, basically taking Q&A questions on anything investing related or otherwise. So thank you to everyone who has donated. If you didn't have the chance to donate or didn't have the means to donate, thank you for just straight up watching the videos. So all of the ad revenue and super chats from the live streams and everything like that got donated directly to Movember as well. Now, I'm hoping to get this video live just before the end of November, so if you're still interested in contributing to the Margin of Shavety team, links will be down in the description below. Now, the purpose of the rest of this video is just to share some other short thank you videos from the rest of the Margin of Shavety team. So this is kind of me signing out for Movember here. Hope to do this again next year. It's been fun kind of growing out the Mo for this month, and we're going to try and make this a regular thing, hopefully. But I think it's time to get rid of the Mo once we do get to the end of November and hopefully bring back the beard. But with all that said, let's roll the rest of these thank yous and really appreciate the support.
Hey guys, just wanted to say a massive thank you to everybody that's donated for the Movember course. It was actually really fun to be a part of this year. Thanks to Tom for organising the whole thing. We raised a good bit of cash, which is great. Goes obviously towards supporting men's mental health. And this is, I know it's not super impressive, but this is what I ended up with. Could be worse, I guess. It's not too bad. It's just hard to see from a distance because it kind of blends in with my skin. It's pretty ginger though, isn't it? But no, thanks everybody for donating, and can't wait to do it again next year.
What's going on, people? I just want to say thank you to each and every single one of y'all for donating to Movember. This was so much fun to be a part of, and this was so much fun to just see how much we can do when we all come together. Thank you to each and every single one of y'all that were able to donate, and if you weren't able to donate, thank you for bringing awareness to the subject. Now, just because the month is coming to an end doesn't mean that we need to stop talking about these things. Let's make sure that we continue talking about men's health, continue talking about these things with our friends and our loved ones. Now, as far as my Mo update, yeah, there ain't nothing there. I got a little bit of peach fuzz, and that's basically all I got. But anyway, I hope y'all are having a wonderful November, and I hope y'all have a wonderful end of the year. And thank you to Tom for allowing me to be part of the November campaign that we had going on. But that's all I got. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. I'm gonna catch y'all later. Peace.
Hey everyone, I tried my best to grow some facial hair this month. Honestly, I'm actually surprised that I got something here. So now I know what happens when I try and grow a Mo for a month. But regardless, thanks everyone who participated or donated throughout the month. And even if you didn't donate, thanks for showing up to the live streams and supporting the cause and our team. Thank you very much. And I think there's still time to donate. So if you haven't already and you want to, you still can.
What a great experience to participate in Movember. This Mo has sparked a lot of conversations around mental health and prostate and testicle cancer. It's hard to talk about that topic a lot of the times, but this Mo certainly made it easier. And it was great to come together with other YouTubers to raise money for this great cause. And we had amazing conversations in our live stream. I just want to use the chance to say thank you to all of you, everyone who has contributed and everyone who has just continued to take part in our conversations. It was amazing to speak to you, and I'm looking forward to contribute to this amazing event next year again.
Hey guys, this is Vyom Joshi with Superior North. I wanted to thank all of you for helping us raise funds for this year's Movember campaign, where we brought awareness about men's mental and physical well-being. I hope you enjoyed the live streams that we had for you. Thanks again for your donations.
Kia ora team, just a big shout out to everyone that has supported myself and the other margin of safety crew throughout the last month, being Movember. The Mo's coming in strong, currently out at work, but I thought I'd just say a quick thank you to everybody, and also a big shout out to Tom for bringing the team together. Muchly appreciated, guys, and also we'll catch you next Movember for bigger and better, bigger Mo's, hopefully next Movember. Anyway, I better go do some work. Cheers, guys.
Hey everybody, my name is Justin from the J Money channel, and I just want to thank you for all the support for Movember. A bunch of us YouTubers have gotten together and done a lot of fundraising for this amazing charity event, trying to bring awareness to men's health, trying to reduce the suicide rate, trying to put money towards finding a cure for 2 different men's cancers, and prostate cancer, testicular cancer. So thank you for everybody that has supported this charity throughout the month, supported our team on that. But most importantly, you know, if you have someone in your life, a man in your life, whether it's maybe a colleague at work, maybe it's someone in your neighborhood, maybe it's a family member that is struggling right now. You know, maybe they went through a recent divorce, maybe they're struggling financially, maybe they don't have a lot of, you know, support around them. And as we get to these, you know, this holiday season, here in the United States, here recently, we just celebrated Thanksgiving, Christmas, and among other holidays are coming up. And so, you know, reach out to these individuals, let them know that you care for them, you love them, and deep down, that's all what we really want. So thank you so much again for the support. Support your fellow man, be there for them, love each other. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.
Hey guys, Angel Attender here. I just want to say thank you to Tom for having us on the channel, but a bigger thanks to the YouTube community for watching the live streams, donating to the cause, because supporting the Movember Foundation, great cause, and just a big thanks to everyone who either donated or watched the live streams. Really appreciate it. All right, peace guys.
G'day guys, how you going? I'm Taylor Watts from Watts Investing, and I just want to shout out everyone that's been supporting the Margin of Safety team, and everyone who's donated, come along to the live streams, and supported our little mustache growth we've had going. So yeah, cheers to everyone, and here's my progress. Not too shabby. First time doing the mow, and it's looking not bad. Nothing like Michael's and Nels though. Yeah, but cheers guys.
Hey everyone, it's Andrew Brown here. Thanks so much to all your support throughout the month of November, raising money for Movember with us. And it's been a lot of fun trying to grow this mustache, especially here in Kiev. I've had a lot of funny looks, and I guess that's all part of it.
Hey, what's up, Mo Compounders? Brad here. I see my Mo is still in the very early stages of compounding. I know it's starting to look a little caterpillary. I'm getting something going here. Anyway, this is just a video to thank all of you guys and gals for supporting Movember, supporting men's mental health and suicide prevention. We started November with the goal of raising $2,000 for Movember, for the organization, through Margin of Shavety, right? Us YouTubers banding together to support this cause. So that original goal of $2,000 turned into over $5,400, okay, in the period of just 1 month. So just a huge shout out, thank you to everyone who supported Movember this month. It's humbling how many of you came out in support. So thank you all. I'll see you guys soon.
Hey guys, thank you so much for all your support on Movember. It's been really fun hanging out with all other finance YouTubers. I hope you get a lot from all the live streams that we have done. So yeah, I just want to say thank you, and this is pretty much my Mo update. So thank you so much, and probably gonna do this again next year. So thank you for your support.